My name is Erno Rubik. I made the cube. Probably you heard about it.
Tell us a little bit about your engineering and architecture training and background.
I studied architecture at the Technical University in Budapest. And when I finished my school, at once I started to teach. There was a special course that I was lecturing, what we called form studies. Form studies meant to create different forms and shapes without a special function. The cube was a very basic form, capable to change its places and positions in space. I recognized the possibilities of the movements, and in the same time I recognized how difficult to go back. And when I finished my work and I found solution for that, just in that time I realized it as a puzzle.
Do you remember the first time you solved the Rubik's Cube, and how long did it take you?
The knowledge that you can find now on the internet in connection how to do it, how to solve the cube, tremendous. So it's nowadays it's much more easy to work it out because you can help. For me there was no help, so I was alone. I spent several months to do it, and finally I succeeded. So that was a great enthusiasm for me.
The world record for solving a Rubik Cube is about 7 seconds. What is your best time?
I remember I was visiting many toy fairs and I demonstrating the possibility of the cube to the trade. And in that time, my average time was about 1 minute, what is very poor according to the times which are now on the competitions, which is nowadays it's close to 10 seconds.
Why do you think the cube is so popular?
It's a challenge, a very difficult one. That made the difficulties when we tried to introduce it on the market, because the common sense for the trade was it is too difficult to the public. Nobody can do it, and it's too hard. It's not childish enough. It's not something that is similar what is on the market, and they were very pessimistic about it. For me, the greatest result is the cube proved that the public is different what the trade imagine. The public is much better than what they are expecting. At the very beginning, it was without any advertising, and the cube became popular in Hungary and later on worldwide.
How does the new Rubik's 360 compare to original Rubik's Cube?
This new item, what is the latest one in the Rubik brand, looks like this. And according to the cube, you can see the big differences. The main structure of this is there are spheres built in each other. There is 3 of them. One is the outside, and built in 2 more. And they can rotate. At the very beginning, the challenge is all of the small colored ball is in the middle, and your task is to escape them from the center and go take it off and place it into their place, which are colored with these colored rings.
How did you come up with this new design in this puzzle?
All the time there is a need to have something else, something new, and we are searching possibilities which are really different. It's not a variation of the cube, what is very important. It was very important in our goal. It's really different.